Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Hi friends, let's play! Follow me everyone! 10 big trucks rolling on the way, 9 fast buses shout hooray! 8 strong tractors work the land, 7 fire trucks help on command. 6 police cars gleaming all bright, 5 big cranes reach a great height. 4 helicopters in the sky, 3 fast trains go rushing by. 2 little taxis yellow and fun, 1 small car says our ride is done. Hooray! Let's count again, come on and play. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hooray! Let's count again, come on and play. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hooray!
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Hi everyone, let's go on an adventure.
Ready when you are!
Great, follow me. We're right behind you. All super vehicles are rolling through, working hard for me and you. First is the fire truck, sirens go woo, rushing to help, brave and true. Second is the dump truck, big and strong, carrying rocks as it moves along. Third is the police car, flashing bright, keeping the city safe day and night. Fourth is the ambulance, zooming fast, helping people when trouble's cast. Fifth is the tractor on the farm, plowing fields with steady charm. All super vehicles are rolling through, working hard for me and you. 6 is the cement truck, spin and poured, building houses, shops and more. 7 is the tow truck, pull and tow, helping broken cars to go. 8 is the bus, big and wide, taking children for a happy ride. 9th is the crane, lifting high, touching clouds up in the sky. 10th is the aeroplane, up it flew, counting to 10, hooray for you! Count vehicles, 1 to 10. Let's count together again and again. Big and small, fast and slow, learning numbers as we go. Count vehicles, 1 to 10. Let's count together again and again. Big and small, fast and slow, learning numbers as we go.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
1 little, 2 little, 3 little frogs, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little frogs, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little frogs, 10 little frogs cycling near bogs. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little cats, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little cats, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little cats, 1 little cat is wearing spooky hat. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little mice, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little mice, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little mice, 10 little mice are running so nice. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little bears, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little bears, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little bears, 1 little bear is looking for pear.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn and grow.
Numbers, it's so much fun. Start at the top and down we run. That's how we write the number 1. Curve around and loop to the go. That's a perfect number 2 for you. 1 2 times with a grin. It makes number 3, let's write again. Down and across, then straight down once more. Look, you've written the number 4. A short neck, a round belly, then a straight line too. That's how we write the number 5, it's true. Oh yes, let's write some more. Make a loop, then curl up quick to the floor. And there you have the number 6, you see. You're writing numbers like a pro, just wait and see. Slide to the right, then take it down. That's how we write the number 7 in this town. Make an S and loop it up with flair. Now you've written number 8, show you care. A circle and a line going down so fine. That's how you write the number 9 every time. Make a line and add an oval too, and you've made the mighty number 10, it's true. Numbers are so much fun to write. Oh yes, you're doing great tonight.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn, and grow.
Elephant in a gray car, driving slowly near and far. A striped tiger in an orange ride, zooming past with so much pride. A happy monkey in a yellow Jeep, bouncing high with a playful leap. A tall giraffe in a brown car, peeking above, seeing so far. A speedy cheetah in a red race car, dashing by like a shooting star. A clever fox in a purple van, honking and waving as fast as he ran. A strong rhino in a blue truck, rolling over roads with power and pluck. A playful zebra in a white ride, turning corners with a joyful slide. A tiny bunny in a pink coupe, hopping along in a loop, the loop. A sleepy bear in a green car slow, yawning big, it's time to go. And little vehicles raced all day, animals are happy to drive and play.
Brainy Bunch TV, where you discover, learn, and grow.
And spry, jumping through the trees so high. One found an acorn big and round, and hid it deep beneath the ground. 4 little squirrels raced with glee, leaping fast from tree to tree. One stopped by a hollow log to chat and play with a friendly frog. 3 little squirrels climbing tall, chasing leaves as they start to fall. One got sleepy, curled up tight, and took a nap in the warm sunlight. 2 little squirrels having fun, spinning round and on the run. One found berries red and sweet, and sat right down for a tasty treat. One little squirrel all alone wondered where his friends had gone. He called them back with a happy cheer, and they all played till night was near. Now it's time to rest so tight, under the stars so big and bright. Tomorrow brings more fun and cheer, for 5 little squirrels wheels are dear.
Thanks for singing with Brainy Bunch TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe.